Good morning. My name is Michael Leizerman. Happy Friday. It's Friday, March 25th, 2022. It's a lightly drizzly morning here in Toledo, Ohio. I was listening to the robins chirp and the bluebirds and the woodpeckers pecking. Um, what's it sound like by you? Uh, Go outside and take a listen. It's an important skill, being a lawyer, being a person, just noticing what's going on around you, listening. All right, what do we have today in our trial guides tip of the day? Look at this. A quote from the Zen lawyer, Winning with Mindfulness, written by me and Jay Rinson White. Conservative jurors are largely rule followers and believe much more deeply than liberals in the value of following rules. In my experience, conservative jurors will give larger verdicts when rules have clearly been violated. Yeah, this is important to keep in mind. So many lawyers I talk with, and this is really on both sides in civil cases, plaintiff and defense, think that there's a certain political bent that will result in a certain verdict. I'm looking for Biden voters, I'm looking for Trump voters, get one or the other off my jury. Um, it just doesn't work that way. Um, our themes need to transcend politics. The Some of the largest verdicts. Um, I was so curious about this. I did a focus group some time ago, just out of curiosity, and I did it with all self-identified conservative, born-again Christians, um, and received very big numbers from them. People, if you think right away there's some demographic that you don't want, conservative, liberal, religious, not religious, I believe strongly that's wrong. That we need to just look beyond the demographics and look at people. There was a scene in The Devil's Advocate, or was that the name of the movie? Oh, I can't remember. Was it with Pacino? But there, in any event, in there was this opening scene, and they're picking a jury, and somebody thinks, "Oh, there's an African American juror," you know, and there was a preconception whether they wanted him on the jury, not. I think in that scene they wanted him on the jury, and then the jury consultant, was that the devil at that point? Anyhow, said, "No, no, no, don't judge his politics based on his skin color. Look how well shined his shoes are. Look at his attention to detail. He's someone that's going to really hold you to the rules." I'm summarizing, but in any event, skin color, politics, any other demographic, occupation, uh, is not a reason to decide to strike a juror. So I think this is going to become more and more relevant when we have states that are starting to get rid of peremptory challenges because the Batson challenges, because of race, that they're just so hard to see. Is someone really being stricken because of race, or is it for other reasons? I know there's at least one state that's gotten rid of peremptory challenges, and I know that lawyers right away cringe. Oh no, it takes away control. I actually don't mind it, uh, but anyhow, I might be in the minority. Well, it's Friday. Let's all take a deep breath and just be grateful to be alive today. May we go out in the world and do good things today. May we listen, may we pay attention, and may we use those skills to help make the world a better place. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times. This can bring you into a meditation practice, into a prayer practice, or just let the sounds carry you into the day and remind you, do good things, have fun, have a great weekend.